I heard a lot of voices of people mentioning about the ILP. What has this government done about the ILP? Why aren't you moving with Government of India for the ILP? Why aren't you serious about the ILP? Sir, in 27th of November 2013, there was a statement from the then Chief Minister. And the statement goes, 2013, sir, the government does not want ILP. We will not have discussion on ILP. How many times have we discussed the issue? This is a statement made by the then Chief Minister in 2013 regarding ILP. But it was this government that agreed to discuss this matter, moved a resolution and passed it. And today now the opposition comes in and asks, what are you doing? So their stand was very clear. They said, we don't want ILP. There will not be ILP. But it is this government that took the initiative. We passed a resolution and we are following up. It shows the intent of this government and the seriousness we have regarding the ILP issue. So don't point fingers at us when you know what your stand was earlier. They mentioned about Thermometer, asking us, what is this government? How long will it take? People are angry today. So what did you do for 48 years when you were there? Why couldn't you take up this Thermometer issue then? People are angry at you also for that. Please remember, this is a joint responsibility. This government has taken up issues that no other government dared to take up. Please remember that. And having said that, I'm not saying we will succeed in all. No. It's difficult. It's not easy. But we are at least trying. We are at least concerned. We are at least with the people. We are listening to the voice of the people and saying that, yes, this is important. Why did it take 47 years to pass a resolution on 8th schedule? Why couldn't you do it earlier? That means you were not bothered about it. But now that we have taken the resolution, yes, now where is it? What is it? What's happening? Why aren't you moving? Fine, I'm not running away from responsibility. But as Elo had mentioned, let us work together. The way he had mentioned that, yes, it's an issue that we will work together, we will work together. But then a lot of members who are intending to play politics with this particular short duration discussion and try to put the blame that we are not doing anything.